Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shadow Drone. This is video 2 of the frame that I'm building for my flight sim setup. I'm also going to be using this when I'm flying my drones, since it's going to be on wheels. I could sit in my patio and fly my drones with it. So basically what I've done is I've used poplar wood, which is a form of hardwood. It's easy to work with. Very sturdy and very smooth. And what I've done is I went ahead and built the main structure frame, which you see there. Okay, and I drilled the holes, cut out the holes to give it a aircraft look. As you can see, it's mounted. Here I have the ability to change the chair's height to lean it up if I want to, or down. And then also I can adjust the whole rail to move forward or backward. And then also I have the adjustments where you pull up on the handle here and slide the chair on the chair rail. As you can see, here's that. And there's going to be some wheels, some casters over here, some really nice 4-inch black ones that I've purchased. Those will allow me to spin this thing around and move it easily. Also, I'm going to be building rails right here. They're going to come out and come straight up, and they're going to go over like this and then down. And you can attach accessories like these kind of things on that. Also, this here is set up as for the flight stick. Sorry about the video quality, but anyway, what you can see here, this is one of the main bulkheads that I made for the mounting, and then I put in some recessed threaded nuts to allow me to loosen these and move this back and move the joystick back and forth if I want to. This is then placed in here, as you can see. It's a little tight. There you go. That actually goes in there. That will have the joystick magnetically attached up here for VR. And then of course over here it will be used for the throttle once I install the side pieces. And then the idea is to place this bulkhead on a spindle so it moves forward and locks in place. You can get in the chair and then pull it back forward, and in you go. And then these are cross beams that I've made that go in here in sections. And then of course the footrest, which attaches like this and can be moved between the ports on a rail on the top. So that's all going to be put in, and then I'm going to paint it black to give it a metal look. And I've got about, with all this stuff, I've got about $300 invested in every, well actually I want to say maybe $350, and that includes $160 in wood and hardware, and then the seat, which was about a $150, and so a little under $500. So anyway, so hopefully that all turns out, and the final video will show the finished product. All right guys, Shadow Drone out.